In this video, I'll be showing you how to create AI songs for free. Now, if you ever heard any song and it sounded a little bit robotic, it's most likely that that was created using AI. But this tool we're going to be using is called Mureka AI. I've put a link in the description. You can use that to get Mureka. It's one of the best free AI music generators. So I'll just come to Mureka AI. If I come to the library, you see I don't have anything yet, but if I go to home, you can see other songs created by other creators. I'll just click on this particular one. Blood, thinking about what I'd do if I was him. That's generated by AI. If I go to this one, let's say Sweet Terror. All the things she used to do back then. All right, so you can hear some of them are pretty good. I'll come back to my home screen. I'll click on create. You can go with the basic. You can also go with advanced. So if you want to go with advanced, you'll be able to write your own. Anyway, we'll just go with the basics for now. I'll go with the basics for now. We'll come to advanced later on. And in this, I want to see a song of a happy wife whose husband always makes her happy and blessed. So I want to create a song about this, and you can choose whether you want it to be rock or you want it to be RBM or hip hop or disco. You have different genres here. I'll just say let it be R&B, and I'll go with create. So it's going to take some time to generate my AI song, and while it generates that, now note that for a lot of platforms like AI platforms, they hold the copyright to your song. So you generate your song, but they own the copyright. It means you can't do anything with it. So be very mindful of that. So, but in this case, I want us to just wait, and it's generating. It's generated our songs. This first one, if I click on it, come to the site here, you can regenerate, you can extend, you can download video. You need the pro plan in order to do that. You can download MP3. I think you can do this on the basic plan. Let's just click on this, and I want to play it. And if I play it,
my darling, how could you? You're my pretty little baby. I'm so glad I found you, but I've been too sad to tell you what's going on inside me. Oh, my lovey, aren't you glad, my darling? How could you ever think that your life isn't perfect? All I need is you in this house. Baby, honey, don't you know it? We'll be so lonely without you.
I think that's good. I want to try the second version, which is this.
So glad I found you, but I've been too sad to tell you what's going on inside me. Oh, my lovey, aren't you glad, my darling? How could you ever think that your life isn't perfect? Oh.
Okay, that's good. I think that's good. So you can just go ahead and publish this particular one, and you can say blissful love, my husband's gift. You can change all of this here, and you can also add the genre. You can add the genre there, and you can put inspired, you can put some tags, and you can publish that. So the genre, I'm going to say R&B. Is actually something indie. I'll put indie. I'll publish that. Is publishing. Now, if I come to advanced, it's going to tell me to add my lyrics here. So I'm going to come to Chat GPT and I'm going to tell it to generate me something. I'm going to say generate the lyrics for a song of a woman, who is expressing a joy and happiness. I say happiness because her husband always makes her happy. It should just be three verses and the chorus. It shouldn't, I would say, shouldn't be very long. So it's going ahead and generating, and you can see, all right. So I'll copy these. I'll just copy these. I'll go to my browser and I'm going to come to advanced. Where was I here? I'm going to come to advanced and I'm going to paste this here. And I want to remove these words here that says verse. I'll remove these. I'll also remove these, remove these, remove these, and remove these. So you can go ahead and edit it. If you have a reference song, you can look for it and upload it. If you have a reference song, if you have a YouTube link to a reference song, but you need the pro plan to do all of this. If you found a song on YouTube and you want it to model that, you need a pro plan. You can do that. And if you want to upload an audio, you're going to have to do that here. Or if not, just use one of these songs on the Mureka database and as a reference, and then select a singer to perform. Let's see Kathy. All right, we want to look for, let me look at
dream of crafting a song.
Oh, this is amazing. Let me hear from Agatha.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path found.
Oh no, this one sounds like a musician I know. And then you can give it the description, and you can see I want it to be something like jazz. Mood, the mood should be relaxed, inspired, and then the vocal gender should be female vocal. And you can also add some here. You can see warm, emotional, and then it should be jazz. And then you can go ahead and click on generate, and I'm going to say create right now. It's going to create. Oh, I don't have enough credits to create this. Let's see if I can subscribe to the for a free trial. Unfortunately, there is no free trial, so I really can't go ahead to do all of this. Under normal circumstances, when you click here, it should go ahead and generate the song. So from the few that you've heard, you can already see that this is actually such a big deal. It's actually such a big deal, and you can download the MP3. Just click on that, download, and even for this, you will need a plan. If you're paying yearly, it's going to be $8 per month. If you're paying monthly, it's going to be monthly. It's going to be $10 a month. So I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. If you want to use Mureka.ai, go ahead and use that link, and I'm going to get some free credits when you do that. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and like this video and post your comment. If you wanted me to create any other video, please make sure to just tell me in the comment section. God bless you. Peace.